Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of hard coding. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a modern portfolio website that I've built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you're looking to create a sleek, responsive, and professional-looking portfolio, this tutorial is for you. This portfolio website is fully responsive, meaning it looks great on all devices, whether you're browsing on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. I've used smooth animations and interactive elements to enhance the user experience, making it both visually appealing and functional. The homepage features a stylish hero section with a professional introduction, followed by an about section where you can showcase your skills and experience. I've also added a project section to display work samples and a contact form to make it easy for clients or employers to reach out. This project is built with pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I've used CSS Flexbox and Grid for a clean, organized layout, and JavaScript for interactive elements like smooth scrolling and a dynamic navigation bar. If you like this website and want to use it for yourself, you can purchase the template from the link in the description. Simply follow the link to get instant access and start customizing it to match your personal brand. In the upcoming videos, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of building this portfolio from scratch. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. If you're excited about this project, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Also, don't forget to like and share this video to support the channel. Now let's dive into the tutorial.